my name is Summer, and today we're going to be joined by my brother Kai. And remember to go to my channel, K210. So let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about kinetic sand, and it's really fun to play with. It's purple sand. It has a tray and some toys that you can mold stuff in. Yeah, and it's really fun to play with. And it never dries out, cleans up easily, your hands stay clean, easy to shape and mold. So let's open up. And this is what it looks like. And you can mold it. And I'll show you how it cleans up easily. See, so you make some drops, and you can get one, and you can go. And then it's all cleaned up. It's really fun. And it doesn't dry out. Yeah, and your hands stay clean, see? They're clean. And easy to shape and mold. So let's mold something. Your first mold. I'm gonna make it castle. It's a seahorse. Sandcastle. Squish. I want to get the turtle. Okay. This is what we made. We made a kinetic sand beach.